Alright guys, I got it. I finally got it. My PapiTech Playdate. Comes in this nice little box. We're going to open it up, maybe power it on, check out a game, see what it's like. I even got the little cover with it. We'll see what that's like. If you've been following this, I think they announced it in 2019. We're going to find out if it's the best idea ever or a total gimmick with its little crank there. I'm excited to check it out. You buy the console, it comes with 24 games as part of Season 1. You get a game a week, and then I think you can subscribe in the future for more games. Sounds like a neat concept. Sounds like a neat concept. So in theory, you're playing the same thing as everyone else once everyone starts finally getting the devices. I think right now pre-orders run into 2023, so that's kind of crazy. But I pre-ordered it day one. I thought that'll be fun. That'll be fun. So let's pop her open. Box comes off. Okay, check it out. Have fun. It's all about having fun with these guys. They used to be, well, maybe they still are, iOS, maybe Android game developers or app developers. I don't know. I don't know the history other than I saw this and thought this was the coolest thing. So it comes with have fun, has the USB cable inside. It's a color matched yellow USB-C to USB-A. I believe that's how you charge it. It's got a little instruction manual. It says to get started, press lock. It's on top. If nothing happens, first charge your Playdate with the included USB cable. That's all it really comes with for instructions, but then we've got the actual unit. A nice little finger part there to get it up. Very small. I guess I was expecting that. Check it out. Very thin. There's the handle. We'll grab that in a second here. You got your power button on top, or lock, or whatever they called it. Yep, that's the lock button. You've got a D-pad, B and A there on the front. I do not know what this button up here does. Your USB-C on the bottom, what I believe is a headphone jack and a speaker. This thing has Wi-Fi. It has Bluetooth, which I guess is coming in a firmware update or something. Cool stuff. Let's do it. Let's power it on. Well, let me show you the case first. Keep you in suspense, right? And I ordered the case because it came as like a bundle. You saved a few dollars. I had no idea what the case would be like. I don't think they really showed it off when you pre-ordered. But I guess it's magnetic. And they advertised it on their website as making this kind of look like a cute ice cream sandwich. And that's really all you got to say to sell me on it, you know? Like, I'll buy anything you say makes my tech look like ice cream sandwich. So before I even put it on, kind of neat. You see it's got these, I don't know what the word is. Are they like rungs on the corners there? I don't know. But they're metal and they have holes. And the case connects that way. To some degree, it's gonna hopefully just slap right in. Yeah, it's magnetic, it's pulling on, it wants to go in those holes. Ta-da, kinda neat. And then close it up, and there's our little Playdate ice cream sandwich. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, it seems very durable, it'll protect it. You could slip this into your pocket, into your purse, into your backpack, into your briefcase, whatever. Anything. And I think you could fold it back. I would take it off though. I wouldn't play with it on. But it will stay, it'll stay back. It's got enough weight. So you could leave it on. Pretty cool. But for this little unboxing, we'll take it out. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Alright, so let's check this thing out. As you can tell, I've never ever filmed a video like this before, so bear with me. I don't know if I need more lighting. I'm kind of scared because here's the thing. It's a black and white screen, and it has what they call a super reflective coating that's supposed to give it a really cool look. And I don't know how to capture that on camera, but we're going to turn it on and find out. So let's hope it actually turns on. Let's press the lock button. And there we go. We got Playdate. If you have epilepsy, blah, blah, blah. Well, I don't. So that's good. So despite the whole black and white thing, it's clearly got a decent little processor in there. And it's telling me it wants me to press the D-pad. Oh, it's trying to get me to do stuff. How fun. Kind of a neat little tutorial showing you where all the buttons are, how to get you to do stuff on it. Now it wants me to pull the crank out. So, easy enough, I guess. We do that. There's a little yellow handle. Flip it up. It wants me to start spinning. That's cool. I'd get a better grip if I wasn't trying to do this on camera for you, but... How do we turn the speaker up? Does it have something to do with that button? I don't know. So they want me to set up. Gonna connect the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this connected. We'll check out some games. Actually, I'll show you. I don't care if you see my Wi-Fi name. It's Cheesy Gordita Crunch, by the way. How adorable. You can use the little scroller here to go between stuff. I like the interface. It's really cool. It's really cool. Or you can just obviously use the D-pad. Probably easier for most, probably easier for this. You keep going, and you connect. I had to scan a couple times. Mine didn't come up at first. I'm also in an apartment complex. There's tons of Wi-Fi around, so that probably plays into it a bit. So once you're connected, it finds a system update. It wants to install it. Just thought I'd talk about it more. It's got a nice like matte plastic. It feels really good. Really good. It's going to determine a local time. It is spot on, I believe. I believe it is 7:31. Yep. Do I want to send metrics? Sure. Press A to play. Alright, I'm game. Let's go. So here's season 1 of games. Can I scroll with this? Of course I can. Not good for video though. Now there's more, but I only see a couple here. There's system settings. Well, I want to play casual birder. I don't even know what that means. It needs an update. That's a menu button. Okay. So we have to go press menu to close, go to settings, games, and see it's still refreshing the list, so it's probably going to get some more games on there sooner or later here. Yep, it's working on it. So we need to update game. The screen does look really great though. Now it's not backlit, so definitely need to have some light going on. Can't be using this in the pitch black. But yeah, we'll let that guy download. Took it an unusual amount of time to update considering how fast my internet is and how small the update was, but we got it. Kind of neat when you hit the lock screen, you get this low-powered screen that always shows either an analog or digital clock. And they make you press lock twice to open it up. There we go. And we're going to play a game of casual birder. Snap, yes. So mostly I want to see how this incorporates the little crank. Pretty high resolution. Despite it being black and white, I don't know what the resolution is. Get some strong, like, Super Nintendo vibes out of this. So, shows the controls there on the top right. A is our camera, B is to look at photos. What happens if I turn the crank? Nothing. Nothing yet. It said there's a bird. Oh, that was the bird. Let's not touch him this time. Okay, so I use the crank to focus. I don't know. It knows exactly where my crank is though, it's kind of cool. I still don't get... Oh yeah, so it says it right there, focus is the crank. I think we're focused. Black-bodied bobby. Bobi? I don't know. It's got a cute little thing about it there. Kinda neat. So I might play more of these games on my Papi Plays channel once I figure out how this all works. Can you zoom this at all? Or just... No. Wait, am I the bird? No, I walked up there. Yes, there goes the bird. Cool. Cool stuff. So that's how the Panic Playdate works. Neat. So there you have it, Panic Playdate. Pretty neat. As you can see, the screen doesn't shut off when you close it in the case or anything, but I'm a fan. Looking forward to playing more on this. If there's anything else you want to see about it, if they ever do cool hacks for this or anything like that, they'll be up here on the channel, so hit that subscribe button if you want to see anything like that. Let me know in the comments. I go by Papi. This is PapiTech. Sorry for the extreme absence on here. I'm hoping to start recording more stuff for the channel, so if you've been subscribed and you've stuck around, I really, really appreciate you. And if you're a new subscriber, I really, really appreciate you too. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all take care.